Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at renewable and non-renewable energy sources or resources. Energy sources or resources are those materials or those things that supply energy, like the sun, the fossil fuel. In previous classes, we looked at the various energy sources, the hydropower, the wind, anywhere that we can get energy from. So when these sources or these resources can be regenerated at the same rate at which we are consuming them, we call such source a renewable energy. But when the rate at which we are consuming this energy or this energy source is far more faster than the rate at which they can be regenerated by natural means, we call such resources non-renewable energy. So energy can be non-renewable energy source or resources or renewable. You see, in this our time, we are shifting our demand for energy to such energies that are